Now, this is bit important for you guys. So if you want to be go into freelance and do video editing, here these are some places you can find work. So this is very common places like Fiverr and Upwork, LinkedIn. So Fiverr and Upwork is very competitive. There are lot more freelancing websites as well, like Freelancer, PeoplePerHour, and there are many like upcoming sites as well. And you also have LinkedIn. I think most of you guys have heard about LinkedIn. You can actually showcase your work and get clients as well. So if you really want to get into freelance, and if you want more tips about how to edit videos, I have my contact in the last slide. You can contact me and I can help you as well. So